So this video tutorial is going to show you how to format your input file for structure so that you can do an assignment test in structure. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Canis assignment test spreadsheet from the website. And it's in this format with the organism or sample ID in the first column, the population in the second column. The pop flag is used in these assignment tests. So one tells structure to actually use the population ID. And then the numbers at the top here are the microsatellite marker names, and of course below that are the scores. So once you have that open, you can go ahead and open up your file with the unknown animals that you want to try and assign to one of the three different Canis types. So you want to make sure it's in the same format as the Canis assignment test file, which means that you have a pop flag column with it set to 0 because you don't know which population these animals came from. And also the microsatellite marker names have to be in exactly the same order as that shown up at the top of the Canis assignment test sheet. So what you need to do first is copy your data and paste it onto the end of the spreadsheet. And then you want to save it with a new name. And then there's a couple other things we want to do so that structure will actually recognize this as an input file. So the one thing is, under population, it doesn't like to have text, so we need to assign an integer to these different populations. So for this, eastern coyotes are going to be population 1. So you want to change all of those that say eastern coyote to a 1. Eastern wolves are going to be population 2. And Great Lakes boreal wolves are going to be population 3. Now, you don't know what population the unknown cadence samples are going to be from, but assuming they were all sampled in the same region, we can give them population identifier 4. So the other thing that's helpful when we're running structure is it can give you information on the different markers that you use. And so in order to get structure to do that, what you need to do is actually put the marker names in the very first row. So and then delete these cells. So this input file is now ready to input into structure, and I'll show you how to do that in the next tutorial.